Ka sorkar jela kaladap ban pynbiang lut ya barok ki jingdonkam hapo ka jaka penlong ya ka jingnew vote na ka benta ka election Lok Sabha na ka benta ka Shillong Batura constituency kumju la pynkhlain ru ya ki bor pahara. Habakran Shakila pathai kubor hadin baladap ban jurib ya ka jaka new vote ha JN Stadium Polo shwa ka jingnew vote ka banlong lasha ka singi South Tarik Jilio Arajar Arposa u Chief Secretary ka jela uba DP Walang ulapan pau ka jing sngohun banyo I halor ka jing penkre habaro ki jaka new vote. Hadien balakmi benya halor baro ki sinjam balashim da returning officer ngathikna ba ka jing new vote kan long ka bayat bet lasha ka singi ka ban sedang nadu ka por pra baje men step ulaong. Ulaong ba ka jing pynkhlain ki bor pahararu kalalong ka balapan kre bha. Ngaladap banya mirjung mat bad USP ka district ubalapan tep ba ulapan pynkhlain bha ya ki bor pahara ha ka jaka kumtaru ngilas ngohun shibun banyo I ka jing penkre banrap u Chief Secretary. Na kalyang u Chief Electoral Officer CEO UBDR Tiwari ru ulapan tep babaro ka jing penkre ha ka bayadai bat ki bor pahara lala ban pynbiang pura. Ngila pynbiang shibun ki bor pulit ha ki jaka new vote na kabenta ban kami ban penne ya kasuk kasan ulaong. Kajing new vote kan sedang ha kapor prabaje men step. Kajing new ya ki EVM ha Shillong Batura kan sedang nadu kapor prash teng men step bat ha ki wei ki jaka kan long ha kapor prabaje men step ula benram.
The processes adopted by the returning officer, and I'm sure that the counting will be conducted effectively tomorrow starting at 8 o'clock in the morning.
All security measures are
Security measures are adequate. I've just had a discussion with the SB of the district, and adequate quantum of force has been placed here. So we are satisfied with the arrangements.
All the needful security arrangement already been assessed by the concerned district authorities and sub-divisional authorities, and needful arrangement already placed. We are having sufficient number of the police personnel for the counting centers and to look after law and order and all the situation. Once the counting will be over, then basically counting will start in the RO counting centers by 8 AM in the morning, and at the RO's counting centers in Syllad and Tura, the counting of EVM will start by 8:30. And in other centers it will be morning by 8, so data flow and all other arrangement already well in place, and all the needful arrangement also have been done. So we are hopeful very soon, once the counting process will be over, after following the due procedure, ROs will declare them.
so by 10
I can't predict.
Counting, all arrangements have been made to ensure that counting is done efficiently and in a transparent manner, involving all political parties. And for law and order, we have made elaborate arrangements in terms of in ensuring that no unauthorized person enters into this entire premises of the counting. And though we have relaxed the provisions of this initial order for 144 with respect to rallies at portions, all other provisions of that order are still intact. That is in the premises, that is still in force, to ensure that no forces or no person or groups disturb the counting. So because we have consulted after issuing of the order, many stakeholders, including the political parties and some other NGOs and traditional heads, they have given representation. They have approached us that it will to appeal to us to relax that particular provision of 144 for rallies and portions. And we, after discussing with all of them, we thought that we will relax to that extent, and at the same time we also appealed to them to ensure that this victory portions and rallies should not turn out to be some law and order disturbance rallies. And they assured these political parties and all political parties and candidates, they have assured us that they will take enough measures from their side to ensure that no untoward incident happens during their rallies. For security, there is, as per ECA protocol, 3-layer security is already arranged here. The inner layer is manned by CAPF and outer layers were by the state police. And the outer layer, from outer layer, it won't be. It will be no vehicle zone. Only vehicles should not be entered in that 3-layer security area. Only vehicles with passes only will be allowed within this area. Consulted the political parties and the contesting candidates. So the instructions would be that they have to give in advance to us in terms of what route they are going to take for these portions, and they have to deploy enough volunteers from their side, and they have to brief their teams that when they conduct these portions and rallies to ensure that that this rally should not disturb others and should not create any disturbances in terms of law and order.